Mabilis na naman yung drawing niya. Ayan. What is that?
Lemon, Captain Orange.
Ha?
Lemon, Captain
Lemon?
Orange.
Lemon daw yun pala, guys.
Captain Orange.
Tapos orange. Pinaghalo niya ang orange at saka lemon. What is that? Lemon juice. Wow. Masarap naman ng lemon juice ng anak ko. Ayan. Ano po yan sa upuan? Lagi yan sa upuan dahil puno yung table niya sa kung ano-ano ang pinaggagawa niya sa table niya. Yung sa kwarto. Pinaghalo-halo lang po niya, guys, yung mga color. Tapos mamaya-maya maganda ng tingnan. Ayan. Who's that? What is this name?
Labu.
Labo?
TikTok me you.
TikTok?
Labu.
You see in the TikTok that one?
อันนี้ทิชชู่ปริ้นมาให้
Your teacher look at in the TikTok, then she will let you drawing?
ไม่ใช่
no?
หนูไม่ได้ draw หนูปริ้นอะไรวะ like อะไรนะลืมแล้วอะไรเอกสารวะลืม
What is pa sa angkin?
ลืมแล้ว
Lum?
like อะไรวะ
Nakalimutan daw niya yung English nung ano, ayan. Then it's a rabbit?
ไม่ใช่มันคือลาบูบู teacher ดูwatch this Google แล้วก็ปริ้นให้หนูเยอะมันเยอะหนูเลยขโมยมาเอาง่ายคือขโมยมาหรือเปล่า
I don't know. If you don't know, sa angkit may also don't know it.
like พวกlike picture แล้วก็do it อะไร like paper put it in paper
We'll see later.
Yeah.
Kasi pagka doon ako sa kabilang inupuan niya, yung kamay naman niya ang nakukuhanan, hindi nakukuhanan yung drawing.
May drawing pin out.
Yes, they don't see how you draw your drawing.
ไม่ได้ drawing
So what is that?
พูดไม่ออกว่ะ
Paint? That's drawing, painting.
Any color?
Hmm? Then what is that? Orange, big orange.
ก็จะทำมะนาวเทได้ส้มมาแทน
Nagay som.
ส้ม
Som is orange daw. You buy that one? You did not draw?
Hmm?
You buy that one?
ไหน
You did not draw?
ไม่ได้ drawing
Your teacher give you? Binigay daw na daw pala ng teacher niya, hindi niya na drawing, linagyan lang niya ng kulay. So when you will give to your teacher that one?
เปล่าหรอก teacher ไอ้นั่น teacher ให้ coloring เฉยๆมีเยอะก็ teacher ก็เลยให้
Yung pagka pinagdodrawing siya ng teacher niya, pagka na-drawing na niya, ayan, binibigyan siya ng kukulayan. Also, the face. Don't put a makeup. May mga din pala dito sa ilalim. You have more hair. Nge! Big head. Ayan.
finish now
It's finished already. But this one, you draw that one? You draw that one siya, me? Oo, yan yung mga na-drawing niya. So, what is your grades there?
หนูยังไม่ให้ teacher
You did not yet give to your teacher? Nyay. What is that tongue? You see the tongue, it's go out. So, that one more. Siguro din naman guys, pagka mura lang din ang mga ganyan na magagamit na pang drawing, siguro din maraming marunong mag-drawing mga bata sa Pinas. Ayan, sa atin kasi yung mga 20 dito, nakabibilhin mong 20 pera nila dito. Mahal na sa atin sa Pinas, mga 100 plus. Ayan, makakabili ka ng mga ganyan pencil, color pencil sa dito ng 20-25 baht. Dati 20, before 20 baht like that in the ECPSF siya me. We buy before. Now it's already 25 to 30. Tumaas na din kasi mga 30, mga 30 baht.
ไม่รู้
Kaso nga lang sandaling maputol. Ayan, binili niya sa loob ng grocery. Pero at least pwedeng pakinabangan yung mga ganyan. Mga 2020. Mano kasi yung video lumilipat na pang straight. that mouth? The big one is the mouth. That is the mouth.
Nose.
Huh?
Nose. Yeah, the nose and your mouth. Teeth.
Teeth and the mouth.
Ning.
It's big. How if you're walking in the night, then you will look at like that.
May scare.
Matatakot daw siya pagka naglalakad siya sa gabi, makita niyang ganyan. Oo nga naman, kakatakot. Lapit na kung matapos. Pinatapos niya na ngayon. Kung umalis kami, hindi niya natapos. Aalis sana kami kaninang umaga. That is bear. Chay.
ก็บอกว่าลาบูบู
Okay, bear.
ไม่ใช่ bear.
The name is a big mouth and big eyes.
ก็ลาบูบูอ่ะไม่เชื่อค้นหาในนั่นได้ Google.
And they long ears, small nose.